Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we are going to be forging some exciting new products that we have over at our website, www.blacksmithingblanks.com. You can find the link for that down in the description down below. We're going to be forging on some copper ornament blanks in this video. Now these copper ornament blanks are pretty easy to forge or put together. Anybody who has went through the process of doing one of our steel versions of, or mild steel versions of these copper ornament blanks, you can do the same things in copper. The difference is the copper has that nice richness to it and really sticks out really well against the backdrop or the color of the greenery on your Christmas tree or around your other copper or your other decorations on your Christmas tree. Gives it a little extra bling, if you will. So these are going to be a really hot seller this year, I anticipate. They're going to sell really well at craft shows, art and craft shows, and holiday bazaars and Christmas bazaars and all the other type of bazaars there are out there. And so I highly suggest that you get in on these fairly quick. Now, over at the website, they will be a cut-on-demand item. So because they're expensive. Copper is fairly expensive, and we also have stainless steel as well as an option in all of our Christmas blanks we have. So stainless steel and copper in all of them. And if you see an item on the website that doesn't have a copper option or stainless steel option, get with Jessica and she'll get you a quote on what that would be in copper or stainless. And we can get you taken care of for your craft shows and for your Christmas presents. These do make a great, simple, quick item to make in a Christmas gift. Something you can very easily do as stocking stuffers, and it won't take you a lot of time, and you don't have to spend a bunch of money to be able to take and fill out those Christmas wish lists this year. So I'm pretty excited about being able to offer this out there to the blacksmithing community and to be into a position where I can buy the materials. I could be able to buy the materials in and be able to make this a possibility at a nice economical rate. And so I really appreciate everyone who's supported us up to this point and being able to bring us up to the ability that we could do this in the first place. So we will also have a lot of things over the website. We will have copper blanks as far as kitchen utensils and things around cooking or eatery. So anybody who's interested in that, you can be sure to check out that section under the kitchenwares tab on the website versus the Christmas tab or just regular ornament blanks tab. You'll be wanting to check those out. So as you can see with the forging of this, of all this copper that I'm doing in this video and making up these ornaments, they are not very difficult at all to actually make. You can get a lot of range with just some simple chisel marks and some hammer texture. You can get everything from really elaborate patterns with center punch marks and eyeball punches and you name it. You could decorate them to the fullest extent, to a wide range of possibilities with just a few simple tools in your arsenal. I know some people who make some of these Christmas ornaments and all they do is do a ball peen or a basic cross peen hammer texture to them, and they still sell. They have some texture, they have some interest, maybe stamp a name or a date into them, and boom, people like to buy these blanks for that. And you could basically work with them according to your own skill level and your own time envelope that you have to be able to invest into such a project. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make some of these blanks. If you want full tutorials on how to make up my snowflake blanks, I have done the mild steel version in full and given some thoughts and helpful tips and hints on those, and all of that would translate and apply if you were working with stainless steel or if you're working with copper. So be sure to check out those videos. I will have them linked in the description as well. God bless each and every last one of you, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season.